Hello friends, here we are with one new job opportunity, that is software engineer, research and development intern in HP, and it is a really very good company. I hope you all must have heard about the name of the company HP, right? So after basically I just wanted to tell you what is the job for, who are eligible for the job, what are the advantages if you just apply for this particular job, and how you have to apply for it. And especially the thing is, you must receive a mail that you have applied for it. Sometimes students just apply it in a wrong way and they just comment us or tell us somehow like that they haven't received any mail. The thing is, they have not registered correctly. So you just have to watch the video till end and just apply it correctly by taking each and every correct step, and after that you will surely get a mail from the company as well. Okay, not wasting our much time and just coming to the topic. My name is Anshul and you are watching our channel, The Inside Coders. So let's begin. So here the job opportunities, as I already told, that it is software engineer R&D, right? It is an intern basically. Like, you can just search about the company HP. It is a really very good company. But still, if you want to know about more about it, simply just write HP and you will get to know more about the company, right? So these are like basically the official sites. You can just go for it and just understand more about it, right? And what is the job ID? Like, this is the job ID. It was posted on basically 27th August 2020. The location is Bangalore. Oh, really a very good location, right? So the job category is the graduate program and internships, because it is an intern in software engineer R&D, right? And basically this is a full time as per the schedule, and just you can read more about the company and how you will make your mark. So what are the like, who will be eligible for it? Most important, so the batch who is from BE or BTech, they are the ones who are eligible for it with 2021. If you are not from this particular BTech 2021, then you can just simply leave the video. I just told it in the starting, the reason is not to waste your time, but still I would be happy if you just like the video and then leave it. Okay, still you can just share it for the students who are eligible for it. Now in BTech 2021 also, like, what are the branches? It's for every branch: CSE, AC, electrical, IT, everyone, right? That means the final year students, right? So this is a technical internship and basically during the summer breaks. Okay, now what is the next criteria? The next criteria, either you have the CGPA of 7 by 10 or 70% aggregate. Okay, even that is from the 10th till now. So from 10th, 12th and BTech till the 5th sem or 6th sem, whatever is the result according to your college, right? And must have excellent communication skills, the problem solving and the analytical skills, and these are required by everyone, right? So like, these are the other skills that they require, and they require a person who is good at coding. So if you are good at coding, it is a really good chance for you. And what are the like other opportunities? You can just go through it, and but still I'm just telling you how to apply for it. Here you can see you have an apply button. When you'll just simply click on it, you will have a screen. So you will have a screen like this. So first of all, it is saying if you do not have your account, then just simply create your account. So you just have to click on the create button and you will have this particular screen, right? Now just email ID, password, verify password, and when you will just create account, you will get a mail. You just have to verify that mail first, and after that you can just log in simply, right? So after logging in, like, you will get the screen where you have to first of all upload your resume. So if you have not yet made the resume, just kindly pause the video and try to make your resume. Still, if you need any help and wants us to make the video and resume as well, please let us know in the comment box. The second thing, when you will just simply put your resume here, which should be obviously less than 5 MB, and after that what you need to do, like, you will have a screen like this. When I just uploaded my resume, it was showing resume underscore Anshul, as I have just written it my name, and then it has fetched some of the details from it, like what is the country name, the family name, and rest I have to just fill myself. Like, local name I usually never give it, but still you can just simply give that. What is the address, the email address, the phone number, and the other details as well. And especially you have to fill, like, how did you hear about us? So you can just simply select social media and YouTube. This is what I actually always select, right? The next task is you have to complete your profile. Some data it will fetch from your resume only, like what is the work experience. Now students mostly get confused, like we are freshers, so what is the meaning of work experience? So if you have ever worked in any of the internship or anything, you can just simply put that work experience. You know what students used to do? They just show the experience. You know, according to that, many of the universities, like what is the criteria, you cannot work, you have to be full timer, right, when you are pursuing your BTech degree. So you are not actually you cannot do the job. And if you're showing your job here, that means like they can even case on you, like how you can say that you have filled like you have done a job. So it basically means the internships only. So simply put your internships here, like the title, what was the company, what was the location, when did you start it, if you are just currently doing there. Okay, so you just have to tick on this, and you don't need to fill the ending date, but still if you have completed, you have to start tell the beginning and the ending date, and the a small description about what was your role actually there, right? So like after that you have to fill the college, the university details, like for the BTech, for 12th, for 10th, and their CGPA respectively. And at the end, if you have already given your resume, then it will just simply fetch from there, else you just have to put it again. Okay, and if any website, it's optional again. So after that, like it will ask you some questions. I guess everything is to be filled with no. Like you can just simply go through the things, like they are saying, are you with any other company, working with any other company, do you have any done wrong things or anything like that. So simply it is no, right? But in the end, like it's asking, like, do you possess a valid work permit in the country for which the position resides, right? Like if you'll say no, then how you can just apply for it? Else either don't apply. If you are applying, then obviously you are eligible to work for that particular post, right? So last two was yes, and it was written that since it is mandatory, so you have to write any it's no in the above cases, right? Simply press yes and then select the gender, read the terms and conditions. There are a lot of terms and conditions, just go through them, and at the end just simply click on this button, like yes, I have read the consent to the terms and conditions, and then simply say next. And after that, it will just give you the whole description that you have written the review. Please get review, is everything right? If it is everything is correct, then simply click on the submit button and you will have a screen like this. Congratulations, your application has been successfully submitted. And even you will just receive one mail as well for that. Okay, and the best part is, if you have not yet subscribed our channel and you are new to the channel, then kindly subscribe and press the bell icon, because we provide you the latest updates for all the companies, especially for the students who are from 2021 batch, right? And not only 2021, 2020 and 2021, both of them. So if you will not press the bell icon, so you will not get the latest updates, and you can even miss some opportunities, the great opportunities. So best part is just subscribe the channel and kindly like the video as well.